Don't worry, when I get outside, I'll do a video of you. I'll show you a picture.
Where they go like this. Hi Femi. I want to introduce you guys to my friend, Mr. Femel Femi. Do you have a nickname?
That's fine.
What do you call it? Jack Sparrow. Oh, Jack Sparrow. Hi Jack Sparrow.
I also, my baby is around. So I'm
See how he's so
very,
handsome.
very, very.
So handsome. Look at his fine eyebrow, stick eyelids. What else? Fine beard. God, why me? Congratulations in advance.
In what?
In advance.
What did I tell you?
Whatever you say. Congratulations in advance. So, yours sincerely is signing out of Local Joy. Take care of you.
What?